Welcome back to 3x7 Outdoor, and today
the Toyota Supra gets a new heart.
We have a 3S system for the Supra.
You wanted it, we're doing it.
We've got it. I'm so excited for this. Let's get into it.
This is the all-new Fortec 3.0 Toyota Supra. It just looks like it needs to go fast.
Yeah. Yo, is that a Supra? Yeah, it goes 30 miles an hour. Let's take off this mint body, clipless. I mean, it clips.
Pinless body, huh?
Oh, let's put it back on just for the satisfyingness of it. We have heard from some people that the Fortec 3.0 tires do not hold up well to speed.
And when I contacted Traxxas about whether or not these could handle it, they could not tell me.
Of course, the test was on the hot rod. Somebody tried to make a brushless hot rod, and apparently the tires just blew up. But maybe it'll be different because these are different type of tires, different compound. So we're going to test it out.
We're sacrificing ourselves or our tires.
Maybe. Let's pop open 3S system. Okay, we got the ESC.
That's 2 mil.
Ah, smells like a new ESC. We got a motor.
Dude, you got a motor.
We got the motor and ESC looking great. This one smells like a new motor.
Okay, that's loose. There, that came off nice.
Wow, there is
more screws.
There's like, so
this one
for my rustler, it's a screw. Here we go.
Ooh. What do we got in there?
Let's look. Let's look at that. Still perfectly good.
And this has an auto mesh, so you don't have to gap it yourself. It's right here. This is anything holding that in, or is it just sitting there?
What's this?
See that? That's just a little guard to cover the wires.
In the summer, we'll be trying this out on the road a lot because it'll be nice and sticky, a nice sticky road. And then, of course, do a speed test on it.
Correct. No, the motor just fell out. Does this come out now? Oh, look at that.
Well, we didn't really need it to come out. Okay, well, there we go. Blank. Easy.
So there's the old heart. Will this direct bolt up, or is it not the same anymore?
Meant
look
to be.
Look at that.
So they knew people were going to do that.
They have an extra screw that's wider to put this in here, because the XL5 is much more narrow. I can't see straight. Is it even in there?
No.
I'm looking through the camera.
There we go.
We discovered something already. The screws that held in the XL5 speed controller pass all the way through the chassis and tighten into the ESC. A 3S ESC, a screw goes down from the top and tightens into the chassis. So we won't be able to do that. What we need is a longer screw with a flat head so it stays flat on the bottom of the chassis, and then put these nuts that we have from this kit onto it to hold it in there.
Alrighty, right. So
we're getting close.
ESC is in. The motor is kind of in. All we got to do now, because look at perfect alignment. We have to put this on.
Route the wires. Go like this. Oh. There.
Easy. Now. You ready?
Turn it on. Here goes.
It doesn't work. Oh my God. Tell us in the comments what we did wrong. One.
Click.
All right, here we go. Make sure that it...
Smooth.
Look at that's 4-wheel drive. Action shots of the screws.
Click. This cool thing. It just kind of covers up the wires and keeps them.
Show. So they like.
Well, we gotta do all the adjustments.
It goes in there, and then it goes in there, and then.
Yeah, and then pretend that they're all down there, and then this just goes kaput. Have a cooling fan that we could put in that right away? Look here. I think we do. What the? That one's in. So these short screws held the ESC in before. but we went to a longer screw with a nut. So these will go into the spare parts bin.
Let's unbox. Wait, get that. Get that
sweet fan, new fan feeling. Part number 3340. Come on out of there. Boom. We might have to unplug the wires just to get it in there. Pull the wires out.
No.
They're the wrong order anyway. It just fits in there and click, it's on. And that's it. That's all you got to do to put a fan in. It holds itself on there. See?
It holds itself on there. Good job. Oh, that looks beautiful. We have...
Man, we did an upgrade too.
Traxxas SUPRA 3S VXL. We got the 3S battery that's not charged.
Battery charge indicator on it?
Battery charge indicator.
Wow. I don't remember the part number, but you should buy some.
Turn on the remote.
Fan is going.
The fan is going. Oh, that looks slick. Here we go.
Nothing? Oh, we got a program. That's probably not the controller for it.
Don't mind this. The Christmas light's still up. Christmas is every day. Oh, I'm hyped. Here we go. Oh.
It's very powerful. Holy buckets! The tires barely ballooned at all. Let's put the lid on this baby and throw it on the carpet.
All right.
Click,
But
click.
before, but stinking four, we have a certain sticker we need to put on it.
I bet you lost them.
I bet you.
Did you eat them?
No.
Hold on, I'll be right back.
He has them.
They went into the abyss.
VXL 3S. I gotta cut it out.
No, you don't.
I do.
Those are laser etched. You do have to cut them out. Jeez, Traxxas.
I got one.
Yeah, but let's get it so there's not so much sticker.
So we have the beautiful sticker right there, VXL 3S, because this is now a VXL 3S. It's a VXL.
Tres leches.
Kind of went down. Perfect. Stinking perfect. Look at this. VXL.
It matches
3S.
the paint colors too. Wow.
Let's try her out on the track. Oh, what?
Got a little mess over
3, 2, 1, go.
Holy mackerel.
She shot that.
She's gnarly. Here, give it a shot. What it's about.
See if I can handle the power. Wow.
Pretty good.
That does add a new element of control to the car.
It's
Where you have more power to use.
a lot
and
of
play
throttle.
with.
More
a lot more
throttle
power
there.
to use and play with. It's really fun. Pretty good.
Close.
Oh.
Oh, Lord. Got the old ball and chain hanging on.
Happening. There we go. Oh. Well, guys, we had an awesome day with the new VXL 3S Toyota
It says it.
Supra. It says it.
You know what
guys.
else this thing needs?
What else does it need?
It needs a TQI transmitter.
It also needs a heat sinking fan.
We got a heat sinking fan here.
Boom.
3458, 3456.
You'll probably see that in a future post from us.
You know what else we could do?
What else can we do?
An upgraded servo
You know what else we could do? A sway bar kit.
and a sway bar kit.
There's so many more things that you can do. We love this car. We love it even more now that it's crazy
also-
speed.
We could put the high-speed gear in it too. There's a lot more we could do. Look at all that stuff we just named off.
So much more. So you'll see that in a future post from us. Guys, we hope you liked that video. If you did, be sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you do not miss any of our posts.
Or ring the bell and then subscribe. Epic.
Hope you like the Supra. Go out, grab yourself one. Do this upgrade if you can. Pay for it, yes.
Don't just grab it.
Like this video and comment down below what you thought of it. And we will see you in the next video. 3x7 Outdoor, signing out.
Bye for now.